What is up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your X account private, so only your approved followers can see your posts. So first, simply open up the X app, which is formerly known as Twitter. Then tap the three lines or your profile icon and select Settings and Privacy. So next, you can then go to Privacy and Safety. Then go to Audience and Tagging. Then turn on Protect Your Tweets or Posts. Alright, so once enabled, only people you approve as followers will then be able to see your posts. And any new follower requests will then require your confirmation. So after this, your X account will then be private, giving you full control over who can actually view your content. And that's it. So that's how to make your X account private. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.